What is HyDE? HyDE stands for Hypothetical Document Embedding. It's very simple. If you look at the last part of this workflow, it's a simple RAG prompt. You get the relevant documents from the vector database. You have your question. You generate the answer. But before you do that, you don't send the question directly into the vector database to retrieve the context. What you do is you send your question to an LLM, and you say the LLM, generate a hypothetical answer to answer this question. Now, that answer could have some hallucinations. That answer may not be totally perfect, but it will have a structure where a lot of the keywords will be more similar to the documents. Because if you think about it, a question is often just a few words, but an answer or a document chunk is a lot of words. So if you generate a hypothetical answer first and then do the retrieval in the vector database, often you may get good results. And you can check out the HyDE paper also, where they ran some benchmarks and they got good results. Again, not like it's always going to work, but always worth trying if just simple query-based retrieval is not working. Okay, so do check out HyDE, very useful. Last part of my session,